Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. And to my returning subscribers, I thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs up, and even sharing it with the loved ones. I do appreciate the love and support. But if you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment that is going to blow your mind. And one of my natural ingredients I'm going to use today is carrots. But if you're one of my returning subscribers, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel by giving videos thumbs up. So please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure you leave me a comment in the section below and I will make sure to reply to you. So as I said, one of my ingredients for today is carrot. Carrots are really great when it comes to hair growth. It contains vitamin A and vitamin E, which are both great when it comes to blood circulation in the scalp. And what this does is it helps improve new healthy hair growth. Carrots also contain antibacterial and antifungal properties, which will help treat your scalp of bacterial or fungal infections, and that is going to make your scalp really healthy and give way to new healthy hair growth. It also contains something called beta carotene, and this will make your hair shining and soft. So if you regularly use carrots in your hair, or if you add it to your hair care regimen, it is going to help make your hair flourish, grow healthy, and also help improve your scalp health. So after shredding everything, I am going to take about 3 to 4 tablespoons of carrots and I'm going to put it in my kettle. The next natural ingredient I'm going to add to today's hair growth recipe is hibiscus. Hibiscus is really great when it comes to hair growth. It contains amino acids that can help treat your scalp and make your scalp and your roots really healthy. It can also act as a natural conditioner when added to your hair care regimen. It conditions your hair, making it really soft and easy to manage. It can also prevent hair breakages, and even if you are balding on any spot on your hair, it can help you regrow that spot really fast. We are also going to add some cloves to this recipe. Cloves have antioxidants and antibacterial properties that will also help treat your scalp. It is also going to improve blood circulation in the scalp and treat your scalp of dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and any other scalp issues that you might be having. Cloves is one of the most powerful natural ingredients that can help stimulate new healthy hair growth. So if you haven't tried cloves on your hair, make sure you give it a try. But if cloves is so strong for your hair, you can try it in recipes like these to maximize its benefits. And this recipe is so powerful. But the only trick is you just have to know the right way to use it in order to benefit from it. Because if you do not use it the right way, you will be wasting your time. And I'm going to spill all the tea to the tea. So make sure you grab some napkins because it's going to be a whole lot of tea. I'm going to tell you the best way to use it in order to get all the benefits. So make sure you're watching to the end and you're not skipping any part of it. And here you are, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, I will appreciate it if you can show me some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. On this channel, I do a lot of DIYs using natural ingredients. Ingredients you can find in your own kitchen that can help you grow your hair much faster. I also show you how to care for your hair. So make sure you join us. And I just love to read your comments. So make sure you leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. So I boiled this recipe for about 5 minutes on a medium heat. Then after that, I allowed it to cool down and it's time to strain it. You can use cheesecloth, anything with tiny holes, or your strainer to strain this juicy recipe. And there is one more ingredient I'm going to add to even make it work much better. So make sure you are watching to the end and you're not skipping any part of it. I'm going to add my DIY aloe vera oil to this recipe in order to even make it work much better. I'm going to leave the link to the recipe in the description box, so make sure to check it out. This recipe right here is a must try because it is really soothing to the scalp. It will condition your hair if you're someone suffering from hair breakages or if your hair tangles a lot. Because of the hibiscus in this recipe, it conditions your hair and makes it really manageable. And there are so many ways that you can use this recipe in order to boost your hair growth. So just sit back and relax, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So at this point, I transferred it into my spray bottle to make the use much easier. Alright, this recipe is safe for all hair types and also for kids. So today I'm going to use it on my daughter's hair to let you know how I use it. There are so many ways that you can use this hair growth recipe in order to boost your hair growth. You can use it as a leave-in by spraying in your hair and also moisturizing your hair. Then you leave it in your hair. Just make sure you put your hair in a protective hairstyle in order to return all the moisture. You can also use it as a pre-poo, meaning you use it before you shampoo wash your hair. So you spray it in your hair and massage it in your hair. Then after that, you cover your hair with a rubber cap, leave it for about 45 minutes and wash with a mild shampoo. Regardless, using it as a pre-poo or a leave-in, you will always get the benefits out of it. Just make sure you follow all the instructions, that is making sure to moisturize your hair right after each use and also putting your hair in a protective hairstyle to retain the moisture. Otherwise, the water will all dry out. And this is how my daughter's hair is looking. You can see it is easy to manage. I use my fingers to separate it to reduce hair breakages. Then after that, I make sure to massage the scalp to improve blood circulation in the scalp to give way to new healthy hair growth. Thank you for watching this video. Click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster.